Hello, in this video we are going to see about neurons and neural networks. It is the unit name and the topic is neural networks and the perceptron. What is neural network? Neural network is a computing system that is based on biological neural network that makes up the human brain. Neural networks are not based on any specific computer program written for it, but it can progressively learn and improve its performance over time. So what is neural network made up of? Neural network is made up of collection of units called as nodes, that is the neurons. These neurons are associated with methods. For an association, it is called as synapse. Using the synapse, the neuron can transmit signals or information to the nearby neuron. The receiving neuron can receive the signal, process it, and signal the next one. The process continues until an output signal is produced. What are the applications of neural networks? Computer vision. Computer vision is different from traditional programming in computers, where in computer vision the computer creates its own program and executes it. Pattern recognition or matching. So pattern recognition, recognizing a particular face pattern for detecting the criminals, or in case of biometric attendance, recognizing a particular biometric pattern of a person so that the attendance of that particular person is recorded. Likewise, identifying a pattern, that is called as pattern recognition, and matching it. Then natural language processing. So we can see its prominence nowadays in many applications like Google Translation. In natural language processing, the system learns the language by itself and it produces the result. So these are some of the applications of neural networks. Then, how to implement neural network? So for implementation of neural network, we firstly require the nodes or neurons, just like our human brain. Output of each neuron is a non-linear function. The non-linear function takes sum of all inputs of neurons, and neurons and synapses, they have weights. This weight controls the strength of the signal the neuron sends out across the synapse to the next neuron. Neurons are normally arranged in terms of layers. Okay. Now, when we talk about layers, in neural networks, there are hidden layers. We should know what are hidden layers. So, in this diagram, we can see the green layer. The green neurons are input layers, and blue neurons are output layers. In between them, we can see orange colored neurons. They are hidden layers. So these layers are between input and output layers. They can be many layers until we get an output. Neurons are normally arranged in layers. Different layers may perform different kinds of transformation on its input, or it can adjust as per the output result. Signals move through different layers, including hidden layers, to the outputs. Now we will see the simple model of neural network that it's named as Perceptron. The Perceptron learning algorithm is the simplest model of a neuron that illustrates how a neural network works. The Perceptron is a machine learning algorithm developed in 1957 by Frank Rosenblatt and first implemented in IBM 704. So the diagram shows the simple model of neural network. So here the x1, x2, x3 are the inputs, and w1, w2, w3 are the multipliers for the inputs. They are called as weights. And x1 into w1, x2 into w2, x3 into w3 all get added and they are sent to the neuron and output is produced, right? So this is a simple model of a artificial neural network. So in the next video we will see much more about the neural networks. Thank you.